Hi there. I just wanted to quickly just showcase the Aurora IntelliCore audit tool. I couldn't fit everything onto the laptop, so real fast. The audit system for Aurora IntelliCore is fully AI designed and managed. All the modules here are meant to be managed through a local database. Right here is where you can look at the data, where everything is captured and presented on the front end. Your data collector is where you can actually just download the audit tool that will automate the full process for you. Right here, as you see, you download, you run it, and it'll execute in the back of house. And then once it's complete, what we're going to do is see the information pop up on the front end once, once the scan is fully done. But usually it just takes a couple minutes and then it'll save to the local database. I'll do a little refresh here. And as you see on the screen, it's saved at right now 7:33 a.m. on today's date for the device that I'm on. The information shows up analyzed by the AI. It breaks it down into the system info, disk usage, network information, software inventory, everything that's there, everything that's running. It's going to analyze its scheduled tasks, the user accounts, the uptime of the device, and a health report that's seeing what's being sent, basics security configurations. And then you're also going to be able to, of course, if you want, to look at InMap scan files, get a network topology really fast onto the network to see what you also may have to scan and get further information about. But it also goes even further. And let me show you that on the file that is chosen, the scan that you just did, you have your AI assistant that's been monitoring the whole time. And really, you have a team of assistants that's able to pretty much execute a number of different tasks. And as you see, it scans on the different computers. This host that we're on would be right here. So if we want to run a GDPR report on this device that we just scanned as well, we can do that with the report that we just gathered. The AI is right now taking that information and generating a GDPR report that we can then interpret. It's executing a number of prompts and saving this information to the local Mongoose database that it's then able to talk about. It creates a RAG document pretty much through Pinecone so that then you can use the right there, as you can see the process. It just gives the report. And this is printable as well. This saves as a printable report, and you can just get it real fast as you're scrolling through it, seeing through each node that say, it's time for a compliance report. You can also click on the PC DSS report that will give you another report. And as that's generating, we're going to go ahead and look at the GDPR evaluation. And then we're going to be able to see basically a grade on how compliant it is. And based on the information gathered, it's going to detail out on the criteria where it met, where it aligned, and where it didn't align. This goes incredibly deep. And again, you can download it as a PDF report that's saved, and then you can ask questions about. So if we go back to our AI and list files, we can then see if we want to just get a specific question, what is in my data? You can just ask that. Right now, it's basically just going to give me a custom report broken down on the data that it's collected on the Pinecone site. Because you see, it also creates a vector database that it's being able to call upon, and you can interact with the actual RAG documents that way. And so as we're processing there, I got so many things running. This is the basic GDPR, PCI generator. As you can see, all the criteria gets evaluated based on the node that's scanned. So this could be anything, a server, a PC. Again, this is just a quick preview, quick rundown. It goes much deeper. I just wanted to show you some basic quick functionality on how it kind of looks and how presentable it would be for an audit process. Very fast, very scalable, and can produce reports automatically. So that's just a quick thing I wanted to show, and hope you enjoy it. Thank you.